YouTube, what is going on? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy 360 Juice. I'm back with another video for y'all. Alright, y'all. So if you're not subscribed to my second channel, just go do that right now. Link is in the description below. Click that link. It's gonna take you over to my second channel. You already know what to do. Smash that subscribe button for me. Also, guys, don't forget to copy your 26 King Wavy merch. The link is down in the description. Use my discount code 360Jukes26 for 26% off. So today, we're gonna do my morning routine. You guys can do this routine, or you can add whatever you want to it. You can add your own twist to it. But these are the products I'm gonna be using. All right, I'm gonna use this medium brush first. All right, go in, get that progress in. And you already know I'm gonna use this medium soft, just add a little more time to my brush session. Then I'm gonna use this soft brush to lay everything down. Then of course, the famous plastic bag. Alright, so just lay the top layer here down. And then I'm gonna do my wet hand method. But first, before we start everything off, I'm going to do the hot towel method. Alright, y'all, so without further ado, let's get right into the video.
They ain't sick of me rapping. They know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it.
Welcome back. So don't really pay attention to my hair right now because it looks crazy. You feel me? But we gonna get right. So start off with the hot towel. It's steaming. It's hot. It's hot. It's hot. Oh God, it's hot. Oh shoot. Oh my God. Okay, I'm gonna give that like 30 more seconds. So after you finish applying the hot towel to your head, you want to take your 26 King Wavy butter / moisturizer and apply that. Not too much though. A little goes a long way. This much. Alright? And let's go. Alright, now guys, you pick up your medium brush and you get to work. Alright, so now that we're done with the medium brush, you want to pick up your medium soft, if you have one, and just go in. Okay guys, once you are done with your medium soft, I want you to pick up your oil, any type of oil that you're using, castor oil, tea tree oil, grapeseed oil, whatever oil that you may have, you can apply it now, alright? I'm saying this because you apply oil after applying any other product because the oil seals in the products. It seals in the moisturizer that you use. It seals in the product, the pomade that you use. So that's why oil is always the last thing to apply to your hair. And after you do that, you just brush it in with a medium brush. So just lay everything down and give it a shine. Alright? Now you want to pick up your soft brush and just go crazy, man. Alright y'all, so that is it. Basically, you know, my morning routine. Now to finish this off, you want to wash your hands. You want to wet them. Okay? And just go over your head with your pattern. Alright y'all, so that is it for this video. You feel me? This is my morning routine. I do this, this is like my first brush session, alright? This is my first brush session and my night routine is a little shorter than this, but my morning routine is sometimes the longest. But you guys see that I did not apply any hard brush into this rotation. I only used a medium brush and a soft brush. And once I'm wolfing a little more, then I'm gonna add the hard brush and it's gonna be a longer time frame, probably about 45, almost an hour. Right? And also guys, don't forget the giveaway is on the 25th of December. Next week, this week, you guys are brushing because I'm going to be looking at the pictures with the hashtag Juice Got It. And the best waiver, man, the giveaway is there, man. So I hope you was brushing. I gave y'all like a whole month to be brushing and actually get a chance to win this giveaway. So no excuses, man. Put the brush work in. I will be picking the winner the 25th of December next week. So I hope y'all ready. Anyways, y'all, that is it for this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like, comment. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to smash the subscribe button for your boy. And we out of here, man. Peace.